Samaya.
My name's Samaya.
And she's having a hot dog. Show them.
I'm having a hot dog.
I buy my hot dog to you guys. So that's what I'm having for lunch today because remember I have a long day ahead of me. I'm not gonna reach home till like after 10. So Moy, you're not gonna miss some little company and them some there.
Yeah.
Eh?
100%.
She didn't text for WhatsApp. They didn't text for WhatsApp.
What?
You didn't text me.
But I'll miss your presents though. Your presents is nice at work, so.
Thank you. Everybody needs that presents. My hair's on fleek though, you guys. So you can't have so much. I actually may have mine.
You're gonna have yours, and you're gonna have jumbo too. So.
Yeah. I want
Mine
everything
is
on my dog here. So that's what they will do.
You told them that today is fun.
No. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Yes, you guys. This is my king dog. I'm having some of your fish. What? Eh? See? Some of your finished hers.
Yeah, I finished mine.
Like a couple of those some more.
Right? Pretty interesting.
Everybody has stay for you. I hate that though. That's such a long
I kind of like the attention though. You don't like the attention when everybody's looking at you?
I get nervous.
Why?
You guys know what's fun? What's wrong?
It's juicy too. It's fried sausage. So it's really nice.
They call them cheese? So basically we shall walk and talk? Samaya.
I'm gonna be late, but it's I don't care.
There's no phone. Oh.
I was just looking for mine too.
What's Samaya? Where's she there? Samaya! Really? You come for the next time.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Such a dance.
Thanks. What's that? When the elevator, you press the buzzer to go around the next side, and the elevator come around the next side.
You're late?
So yeah.
You're late?
So, yeah. Basically, you guys, I just finished having my hot dog. It's for my belly. Thus far. So, yeah. Hey guys, we're back. We're eating again. Shabagate. Say hi, y'all.
You can't end up eating.
So, you have anything you want to
I've got free food.
So, everybody.
Stand the limits.
Karim.
What do we do with Karim?
Hello, my subscribers.
Big
That's
up.
what TM.
Eat again, yeah.
And all everybody just are eat food. Shabagate.
Well, no, eat it again.
Watch me there, eat and me have country for go shortly. Wow, what time I reach country? Bye, Samaya. That's nice. Bye, Samaya.
Bang, bang.
Yeah. Ah, it was fun. Everybody just partying, eating food. Oh, come on, ask nothing. You can't say hi.
Hi, peace again. Life.
That's
Still
it.
not have the link.
You have the link? You know my day, the way you know the group? So everyone message me. I'm sending the link tonight.
Alright, peace again, life.
Yeah. I'm going to miss you. Yeah, go in there. We don't want more food yet. I'm going to have a bag. I can't put the rest of the food there and carry home. You need to go here?
Yeah, go away.
Feel it now? I left now because I have 5 to go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yellow.
What? Yay. Bye. Shabagate, you know go country again?
Probably tomorrow. I don't know.
Alright, see you later because you live on the road. So, bye y'all. Bye David. See, what you afraid of the camera? He's camera shy, you guys. He's camera shy. I said, let's stay.
So,
So alright, later you guys. So
Bye, life.
yeah.
See you on the live.
Upon
You
the
still
live.
haven't named us yet.
Give me a
Hurry
name
up and come
suggestion.
up with a name.
Give me a suggestion.
Diamond.
Remember say man watch me something too.
Alright.
Suggestion for what?
Look at my subscribers if I don't have a name.
Right.
So she said give you guys a name. So what kind of
Diamond,
name?
no man.
Yeah, no man no one on Diamond. I'll say hi Diamond Squad.
Alright. What do you like to say though? What do you
Alright, for me, comment your suggestions below and I'll pick the best one.
okay, but
talk to them when they're here. We talk to them.
But is there anything there? Is there a word that you like to say like often that you like to?
Booty dopes.
Put it up? That's a good one though. It's
Put it up.
different.
Hey, booty dopes. No, that kind of sound weird. Give me an explanation.
Who suggested?
Dragon. Oh, what was the name again? Dragon Warriors.
Give us a name that describes you.
I'm mad. So
You can call
Mad
us
Squad.
something like that. Yeah.
I don't know. You guys just comment the names below. And which direction are you going? Aperture, town?
Half a tree.
Which
Or crossroads.
Me I go downtown.
Or
more
downtown.
company.
Anyone.
Downtown. You can't walk in the downtown now?
Oh, it's late. I forgot.
I'm park.
My friend, is your bag? She bag up to your
But me I go Spanish town, but more that quick away. Forgot Aperture. That take too long.
You guys don't take long, yes?
Crossroads though, there is no. I mean, I haven't went to Crossroads for a long time because I know that they don't like to drive by. The Spanish Town buses are just so scarce.
So which part you have a Spanish town?
I don't know.
Which direction you have? You have a Spanish town? You have a Spanish town? Where you have going?
We are going to Spanish.
We have a Spanish town.
Spanish Town.
So at least my little company. So yeah, you guys.
Bring one iPhone, go.
Yeah, the struggles is real. But you know I'm boss. I'll be panic for them. So yeah. And again, the fights out here cutting on here. Hey guys.
Not going back down there until Monday.
I just reach I want pot. What's your time? So tired. I'm gonna fully reach you, man.
I like it currently.
What you mind? So,
Why?
I'm just there. I go on bill. I go and chill. So, that was I'm having some jerk chicken. I'm a bread, of course. So I'm gonna indulge in this right now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Good morning, you guys. Oh my god, like I just wake up and there's seafood. Alright, and we're having breakfast. You guys, so can eat egg and ketchup, could I?
Yes, good.
Who does that? Egg and ketchup? Egg and ketchup?
Yes, very good.
You're weird. Can you say hi?
Hi.
So say hi, so? Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So what did I have?
Ginger, say hi, guys.
Come here. Come here.
Ginger, come here now.
She's not coming. Make she stay. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Hola, you guys. From the last clip you guys saw me, what I was doing? Having breakfast. I went to my bed. And I slept for 4+ hours. Alright, now it's like after 5 in the afternoon to 6. Something like that. So I'm just here basically checking up on y'all. I'm so tired as you guys seen how much things I did yesterday. So let's come tune in a little bit and check up on all of these things. I'm so tired. So when I'm doing something, I come back to you all. Okay? Great. Kayla, oh yeah, going so far.
That's not clear.
Like food, I
That's
watch
why you know
cartoon.
I'm
Pies,
dead serious.
pies,
No.
pies. Yell them up,
Huh?
yell them up. Kayla, enjoy the food just like me. Come on, kid. So we'll watch our money. So what kind of cartoon?
Sir, please, can I have a piece of coal?
Sad, nobody know what I mean. So that's what we're doing right now. So yeah.
I drink coffee back love.
Turn on cup. Ask food.
Oh, but yeah.
Yes, sir.
As you guys see how we put up the house with Christmas lighting. But doesn't really come outside because outside cold. I'll show you guys. What's so cute with our mudded. They can't see us because it's a bit dark, but they can see a mudded. And no Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas! Come sing. No, I can't sing. Oh, the kid.
She's acting like Gigi.
I want to hear on them though.
Yeah, so mommy said, do not cover here like don't do the granny part dominated and this is what.
You see, your next couple of days, watch about them vlog here. I said, I saw this one here. Kayla should play the thing your wife. And kill the rifle. So me I go outside. All the outside come, I go there. So yeah.